Hi, it's me, Anna, again. So there's a new Rip Slime song that has been released. Now, it's not really Rip Slime, or I don't know. It's Ryozi, Ilmari, and Fumiya, and sure, that's like it's three of the members of Rip Slime, but I don't know. Them personally, releasing a song under the name Rip Slime, it leaves a bad taste in my mouth because it's like, you know, it's only three of them. It's not, the RS5. I mean, come on, it's RIP. That's Ryozi, Ilmari, Pes. Where's Pes? It should be RIF Slime, if anything. But I digress. We're gonna listen to Human Nature by Rip Slime, and they changed it. This isn't even the logo anymore. They changed that too. So this shirt is outdated. But anyway, let me set this up here. I didn't really. It's being a little sloppy with this video here. I forgot to put the screen on so that you can see what I'm doing here. So we're doing this live. Okay. Okay. So this is Human Nature by Rip Slime, and it's in lowercase. Can we talk about that? It's capital R, capital I, and then these are lowercase. I always hate when people write it like that, and they did that officially. That makes me mad. This isn't all caps. They're all capital letters. But these are, I don't know. What is this album art? Anyway, I'm gonna I'm gonna have an open mind. We'll see if it's good or not. Okay.
Human nature. Human.
I kind of like this. But I don't know how.
ひねもしたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりどっかで誰かが泣いたり笑ったり走ったり止まったり踊ったり歌ったり黙ったりいろいろもろもろやってる俺はといえば日がな寝っ転がり行ったり来たり生嘘まみれでひねもしたりのたりのたり働き盛りのはずだろうに暇だしテレビの前で大笑い午後ろで大泣き鏡の前で大げさに音に任せて踊ったりほぐれてきたなら晴天のドア開けば何気ににやけてるどうにかなるさと思ってなければどうにも始まんないちょんちょんちょん
Okay. The verse was okay. I don't know, there's not a whole lot of rhymes in it, and I've been doing these videos where I've been listening to like their old stuff from like 5, and there's so much rhyming in it, and it's so weird to hear like a Ryozi verse where a lot of his lines at the end with rhymes that never get, matched. It's a little weird, but I don't know, it was okay. I feel like their voices don't really work on this instrumental. Like I feel like this instrumental works by itself, but it feels weird with their vocals on it. Anyway, let's keep going.
どうにだってなるぜヒューマンどこにだって健全ネイチャーどうやってかどうなってか勝手にやっちゃってどうにだってなるぜヒューマンどこにだって健全ネイチャーテンパったり頑張ったりおのおのやっちゃって勝ったりとかかっこ悪いとか片っ端から流したりしないでやってみるって手もありかもね新しいが転がってるダラダラゴロゴロ無駄むさぼってるいつの間にか何かを掘ってるまた発見 Here we go again セーブしなくて曲がる夜明けご機嫌だぜ集まる
また発見 Here we go again. Spasso, that's what it is. It's Spasso. That's right. That's hold on, let me see if I can find it. On target, Katate no Hagen das. Where is it? It's this one. Oh, I'm using my okay. It's
bullshit accent. Here we go again.
Yeah. I don't know if you heard that. Mata hakken. Here we go again. Anyway. I digress. I caught that reference.
間にか何かを掘ってるまた発見
Here we go again
セーブしなくて曲がる夜明け
夜明け
ご機嫌だぜ熱馬裏側回り込んだカイザーソゼあぜおぜ皆さん尻目に舞い上がって小皿にウェニウェニひねもすたりのたりのたりとことん自分と向き合って本性さらけ出してこうお構いなしです厚かましいくらいが本当のタフネスか敵ままにやっちゃってもとっくに始まってんじゃんじゃんじゃんどうにだってなるぜヒューマンどこにだっていけるぜネイチャーどうやって
I don't know. I mean, Omari's verse was good. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's much better than Ryozi's verse. Omari's verse was pretty good. He did a little more rhyming there. I appreciated the Spasso reference. That's kind of a deep cut. Like that's a B-side. It's not even on any of the like albums. They just put it on Bad Times, which is like a B-side compilation. So that was like a pretty obscure reference for like Rip Slime. So that was like real fans will get that one. So I appreciated that, but like I don't know. It's still eh.
なってか勝手にやっちゃってクレックレックレッどうにだってなるぜヒューマンどこにだっていけるぜネイチャーテンパったり頑張ったりおのおのやっちゃってクレックレックレッひねもすたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりひねもすたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりひねもすたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりひねもすたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりひねもすたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりひねもすたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたりのたり
Human nature.
Human nature. Maybe that's a cool ending. No, I don't know. I don't really like it. I think it's interesting because Fumiya, when like during like Rip Slime's like actual proper tenure from like 1990 when he was in there from 1998 to 2016, he was doing some of the best production work I've ever heard. Like he's my favorite producer, and so to hear him do something like this, which is very like I don't know, it's messy a little bit. It's very jumbled. It's kind of a lot, and it doesn't really go together very well. It's just kind of a bunch of moving pieces that kind of feel like they don't really fit together. So to hear him do that is a little weird. And I don't know, Ryozi and Ilmari, they're still pretty good, but like I feel like they didn't know what to do with this instrumental. Like I feel like what if I produced what if I produced this song? I bet it'd be awesome. Listen to this. Listen to this beat I made. I made this one. I'm pulling it up right now. They could have rapped over this. Where is it? They could have rapped over this. It's opening. Look. What if Yoshi and Omari rapped over this one instead? Point is, it could have. I didn't like it very much, but we're gonna keep our faith in Rip Slime, and the new Rip Slime, and I don't know. I miss Pest and Sue. I'll say that. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't hate me. Bye.